Hello everyone and welcome back to another peaceful painting session. Today we're going to create a dreamy sunset lake scene filled with soft reflections, glowing light, and delicate water lilies floating quietly on the surface of the water. This painting has a very calm and romantic atmosphere, with warm golden sunlight meeting cool blue tones in the lake, creating a beautiful balance between warmth and serenity. I hope this artwork helps you relax, slow down for a little while, and simply enjoy the painting process with me. I begin by using a flat brush to apply a soft bluish-purple color across the upper part of the canvas. As I slowly move downward, I gradually warm the color by blending in orange tones near the horizon line. I want the sky to feel gentle and glowing, like the quiet moments just before sunset disappears completely. The blending here is very important, so I move my brush softly back and forth to create smooth transitions between the cool and warm colors. I continue these same sky colors around the edges of the canvas, so the entire painting feels connected and harmonious. For the lower part of the painting, where the lake will be, I begin with a darker blue tone. Then, little by little, I soften and brighten the color as it approaches the warm reflection of the sunset. I want the water to feel deep and calm, but still reflective enough to capture the beautiful light above it. Next, I start shaping the distant trees in the center of the composition. The trees in the far distance remain blurry and undefined because I want them to feel far away and surrounded by evening haze. Then I mix blue, yellow, red, and a touch of black to create muted natural greens and soft, dark tones. On both sides of the painting, I add darker layers of trees closer to the viewer. This layering immediately creates more depth and gives the landscape a peaceful sense of distance. Using vertical brushstrokes, I paint soft reflections of these trees into the water below. I keep the reflections slightly blurred and less detailed, so the lake appears still and natural. To bring more warmth into the reflection, I lightly add touches of soft red and orange into the darker mirrored shapes. These tiny color variations help the water feel alive and glowing with sunset light. With a smaller brush, I mix yellow and white to create a glowing patch of light in the sky. This becomes the brightest part of the sunset. Right in the center of this glow, I gently place the setting sun. I soften the surrounding edges carefully so the light melts naturally into the sky instead of looking sharp or artificial. Now I return to the edges of the lake and repaint some areas with cleaner strokes so the composition feels neat and balanced. I also continue refining the distant reflections in the water. After that, I begin adding gentle water ripples across the lake using thin horizontal strokes. I constantly adjust the color of my brush depending on where the ripple appears. On the darker blue areas of the water, I use lighter highlights to catch the reflection of the sky, while over the glowing orange reflections, I use slightly darker lines to create movement and contrast. This simple technique helps the lake feel realistic and gives life to the small waves dancing across the surface. To soften the transition between the cool blue water and the warm sunset reflections, I glaze a very thin layer of transparent orange over some of the darker blue areas. This creates a beautiful harmony between the colors and prevents the water from looking divided into separate sections. Beneath the distant trees, I softly paint blurry grasses and shoreline textures to ground the landscape and make the horizon feel more natural and complete. These little details may seem subtle, but they help create atmosphere and depth throughout the painting. And before we continue with the next stage of this artwork, I'd really love to know where you're watching this video from. It always makes me happy to see how people from all around the world connect through painting and creativity. So please share your country or city with me in the comments below. Now it's time to bring the foreground to life by painting the elements that are closest to the viewer. These details will add depth, elegance, and a peaceful sense of realism to the entire composition. I begin by painting several lily pads floating gently across the surface of the water. Using a deep, natural green, I place them here and there across the lake in a soft and balanced arrangement. I don't want them to feel stiff or perfectly organized. Nature always looks more beautiful when there is a little randomness and movement. Once the dark base shapes are in place, I start highlighting the tops of the lily pads with warm orange tones touched by the sunset glow. These warm highlights instantly connect the lily pads to the golden light of the sky and make them feel illuminated by the evening sun. Around some of the lily pads, I paint delicate, light-colored water ripples. These tiny reflections and soft outlines help separate the pads from the water and make them appear as though they are truly floating on the calm lake surface. Even very small details like these can make the painting feel much more alive and realistic. Now I begin painting the white water lilies themselves. These flowers become one of the most peaceful and elegant parts of the composition. Using soft white paint, I carefully build each petal one layer at a time. Instead of using pure black for the shadows, I mix a gentle gray tone and place it between the petals to create depth without losing the softness of the flowers. As the shapes of the blossoms become clearer, I move into the centers of the flowers and paint the delicate stamens using warm yellow and orange tones. These tiny touches of color create a beautiful focal point and tie the flowers into the glowing sunset palette of the painting. I also softly glaze hints of warm orange onto the edges of a few petals, allowing the flowers to reflect the surrounding golden evening light. To anchor the flowers naturally into the scene, I paint subtle reflections beneath them using very thin, dark paint. These reflections are softer, darker, and less detailed than the flowers themselves, helping the water remain calm and believable. Next, I move to one corner of the composition and paint a tall cluster of reeds and grasses using a liner brush with thin flowing paint. With upward strokes, I create elegant blades of grass reaching into the air. Some are darker, some lighter, and some bend gently in different directions to keep the scene natural and organic. After the darker grasses dry slightly, I add highlights of warm brown and soft green across certain edges where the sunset light touches them. These highlights help create texture and bring the foreground beautifully forward. Their reflections are also painted into the water below. Instead of perfectly straight reflections, I lightly move and curve the brush as I paint them so they blend naturally with the subtle movement of the lake's surface. This creates the feeling of soft water gently shifting beneath the reeds. Finally, I return to the brightest part of the lake and paint the glowing reflection of the setting sun dancing across the water. I begin with rich yellow tones and gradually place tiny white highlights within the center of the glow. These sparkling details create the illusion of shimmering light moving across the calm lake and become the final touch that brings the entire painting to life. After adding a few final details and soft refinements, the artwork feels complete, peaceful, glowing, and full of quiet evening atmosphere. I truly hope you enjoyed painting this dreamy sunset lake scene with me today. Thank you so much for spending your time here with me. Until our next painting adventure, take care, stay inspired, and keep creating beautiful art.